O'Brien and Tyler Hoechlin and I used to live with each other during season 1. Here are the survival guide tips for living with those two buffoons.
Have a lot of Uncrustables for Posey. Got to always have the fridge stocked with Uncrustables, and he works a lot, so you got to go to the store and you got to get him his Uncrustables so that when he comes home in late hours, he can eat his Uncrustables.
You need to learn how to not be uncomfortably awkward really fast. Like, awkward situations need to be your new favorite situation.
Make sure that if someone's pooping in the bathroom, don't throw up in the kitchen sink. Go to Hecklin's bathroom. That happened. Dylan was pooping, and I didn't feel good, so I was gonna throw up. So I was gonna open the door, and it was locked. He's like, I'm pooping, and I threw up in the kitchen sink. And I got it clogged, and it was horrible, and I had to unclog it myself, damn it.
With Hecklin, just be on your best behavior, because I respect Hecklin, and I always want him to, I look at him as like a dad, kind of, so when he comes in, I like, take my feet off the coffee table, and I just want him to think that I'm well behaved.